The Bluetooth device is not repelled. The Bluetooth device is not successfully.
Okay, hi, hello, good afternoon to each and everyone. A pleasant day all, and welcome to Madera's Residence, okay? By the way, my name is Kuya Bon, and I will be official party host, Game Master Magician in this afternoon. Okay, so now, let me introduce you why we all gathered here today. Ladies and gentlemen, especially kids, put your hands together for our celebrant. Celebrant, Gia, come on down.
Yan ang prinsesa. Wow, ang ganda!
Alright, once again, a round of applause for Gia together with her mommy Bert and mommy Jen. Alright, okay, so before we formally start this program, may I call on Isabel for our opening here. Everybody, sing!
Happy birthday to you!
Louder!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Are you ready? One more time, we clap! Happy birthday to you! Everybody! Sing! Alright, okay, so now, kids. Isa pa yung mas malakas. Isa pa yung pinakamalakas. Ayan, palakpakan nyo naman yung may birthday. Palakpakan nyo kasamang yehey! Alright, okay, syempre dahil nakantahin nyo na, nabati nyo na, and higit sa lahat na palakpakan nyo na, dito na nagtatapos yung party natin, ha? Thank you. Ano ha? Sige nga. Okay, Kuya Gab, what is the favorite fruit?
Apple.
Apple is wrong. Everyone. Yes, Ate. Ate Irish again. Come here. Come here. Come here. Ate Irish, what is your favorite fruit?
Strawberry.
Strawberry is wrong. Anyone? Still. Yes, Ate, come here. Konnichiwa. Alright, hello Ate, what is your name? Okay, Jackie Janae, what is your favorite fruit? Banana is wrong. Anyone? Yes, you again, Ate, come here. Okay, Ian's favorite fruit, what? Mango is wrong. Again, Ate, come here. Sige, hula-hula pwede. What is your answer?
Watermelon.
Watermelon is correct. Alright, Ate, get your prize. Okay, ready? Next question. Okay, last two question. Listen. Okay. Listen, okay, what is Gia's favorite food at Jollibee? Okay? Anyone? Yes, Ate, come here. Okay, what is Gia's favorite food? What's your answer? Go.
Fried.
Fried is wrong. Anyone? Ikaw na naman, nasa di. Anong paboritong pagkain ni Ate Gia sa Jollibee? Ha? Chicken is wrong. Anyone? Ben, come here, Ate. Okay, what? Sopas or macaroni is correct. Okay, ready? Last question. Listen. What is Gia's wish or dream paglaki niya? Anyone? Okay, what is Gia's dream? Anyone? Yes, Ate Irish, come here. Hindi ko na masabi yung sagot. Okay, what?
Model.
Model is wrong. Ang naging question ko. Okay, ulit. What is Gia's dreamland? Okay na, gusto puntahan pa when she grow up. Yes, Ate. Ang dami kasing sagot eh. No, wrong. The place yung gusto niya puntahan when she grow up. Come here, Ate.
Disneyland.
Okay, Gia's dream place when she grow up. Okay? Anyone? What, Ate Irish? Snow World. Yes. Snow World, Japan, Canada. All of the above is the correct answer. Okay? Thank you, Ate Irish. Alright, yes. Sino wala pang prize? Okay, tutuloy na yung next game ko. Okay, ready? Next question. Sige, pa-check naman ng kompleto na yan. Isang game pa. Alright, ready? Next question. O, sige, ganito na nga lang. Okay, dito sa next game ko, siguro naman lahat ng kids dito nag-aaral na. Sino ba yung hindi nag-aaral, taas yung kamay? O, wala naman ha? Okay, dito sa next game ko, sino dito mahilig manood ng YouTube? Wow, ang dami ah. Cellphone. Sabi ko na eh. Cartoons. Anime. Disney. Superheroes. Etc. Okay, yung mga narinig nyo kung mahilig yung manood doon, malaki yung chance nyo na. Okay, ate. What is your answer? Squidward. No, it's wrong. Anyone? 10, 9, 8, 7. Yes, ate. Kung si Gary and Patrick yung best friend ni SpongeBob inside, outside the Pineapple House, ano naman yung tawag sa lugar nila under the sea? Anyone? 10, 9, 8. Sige na, sige na. Ayan, pangalawa siya kuya, pakilayos kuya. Selena followed by Amber Ann. Amber Ann pang third. Kuya, tanongin mo kung sino si Selena, kuya si Amber. Selena, Amber, Jonah May. Okay, ako mag-prepare ako yung okay, for our listen gifts. Okay, for our 7 gifts. Okay, just give Iya. Give your gift. Wait lang. Okay, I will call her dito. Tawagin ko kayo, ha? Okay, say happy birthday to Iya and what do you want to say to her? Okay, what's your name or what do you want to say to Iya? Okay? Anything, okay? Alright, okay, so let's start our first set of 7 hour 7 gifts. Let's start with palakpakan naman yan for Ate Andrea. Sige lang ha? Wala. Hindi natin sa speaker niya. Sige lang ha.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected to the
Dito ka muna sa side ko. Okay, thank you. Kami na ate. Dito ka muna. Thank you, Ate Selena. Followed by Amber Ann.
Happy birthday, Ate Tia. I hope you feel better. When you grow up, I love you. God bless.
Ate Amber, stay ka muna sa side. Thank you, Ate Amber. Followed by Jonah May.
Happy birthday, Tia. Happy birthday, Tia. I hope always come true. Thank you.
Thank you, Ate Jonah May. Masay muna tayo. Okay, thank you, Ate Jonah May. Followed by Isabel.
Happy birthday, Tia. Sana maging matulog. Maging honest ka, huwag kang magsinungaling. Makinig ka mabuti sa mga lessons mo. I love you, Tia. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Ate Isabel. Dito ka muna. Okay, thank you, Ate Isabel. Followed by Nina Casey.
Happy birthday, Tia.
Thank you, Ninang. Okay, last but not the least, Ninang Beth.
Happy birthday, Tia. Ikaw the best. Mag-aral mabuti.
Alright, okay. Thank you, mga Ninang and Ate. Balik po kayong lahat. Teacher kayong lahat. Together with Dia. Balik kayong lahat. Punta kayo lahat doon. Balik kayo ng Dia. Dia, and what's your wish to Dia? Okay, kids? Okay, Princess Yana, you. Alea, wait na muna. Who's Alea? Second. Janea, third. Okay, tama. Next.
Happy birthday, Ina. Mag-aral kang mabuti. Thank you.
Ate siya, Ate Princess. Stay ka muna dito. Thank you, Ate Princess. Followed by Alea.
Sinilis mo na. Oo, ikaw. Sabay, tanong mo, Papa.
So, Ate Alea, followed by Janea.
Sabi niya.
Sabi niya. I love you.
Janea, followed by Nina.
Ano sabi niya?
Thank you, Ate Janea. Followed by Athena.
Happy birthday, Ina. Always good health. I love you.
Thank you, Ate Athena. So, we also have Princess Zia.
Happy birthday, Gia. Thank you sa pag-invite sa akin. Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana matupad mo yung pangarap mo.
Thank you, Ate Princess. Okay, so next, Lee Grade.
Birthday, Gia. Wish you good health.
Okay, thank you, Ate Lee. Okay, and last but not the least, Ate Irish.
Happy birthday, Gia. Thank you for inviting us on your special day. May all your wish come true. Good luck on your studies.
Thank you, Ate Irish. Okay, so to all the kids na nag-wish, balik kayo lahat kay Gia. Ito umihip, uy. Alright, okay, thank you. Then, picture kayo all together with Gia. Forward mo yung mga nasa likod na maliit. Hindi pa ka, Latina, forward ka ng konti. Lapit ka ng konti. Okay, alright. Okay, kids. Look at the camera. Ready, look at the camera. Alright. Alright.